Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see how to fix AirDrop not working between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac computer. When you try to transfer any photos, videos, or files between your Apple devices, you may see that here from my Mac computer, I have dragged and dropped 3 files from desktop and nothing happens on my iPhone. I checked whether the AirDrop is turned on or not by swiping from the top right corner of the control center to access the control center, and here you can see the AirDrop is on, and I have tried to turn it off and then turn it on and set it to contacts only. Still I haven't received the file that I tried to transfer before, because Mac, normally when we try to transfer the file, it maintains a buffer, a kind of a printing queue, that when we try to send a print request from a printer, it normally maintains that queue. So when the device comes online again, the file transfer will be done. And the second troubleshooting step I had tried is turning on and off the airplane mode, and then I try to drag and drop the 3 files to my iPhone that is visible in my Mac Finders AirDrop section. This troubleshooting step may be helpful for some people, so do try the airplane on and off. And I had a doubt like whether the problem could be related to Mac AirDrop getting recognized, so I just want to figure out where the problem actually is. So I try to transfer a photo from my iPhone Photos app, and here you can see it keeps on blinking. The status shows waiting. I did wait for a couple of minutes, and still, for just a simple photo, it normally takes a couple of seconds to complete the transfer. So I checked once again in my iPhone whether the AirDrop is on or not. Then the next troubleshooting step I tried is restarting my iPhone. I think that some problem related to the iOS software could be preventing the AirDrop from working between my devices. So I did a simple restart by holding the volume down button and then the side button for a couple of seconds, and then restarted and checked whether the AirDrop is set to contacts only. Then I tried to transfer a file from my Mac computer. But before that, you can see after the restart, the photos started to arrive automatically, like almost 3 different versions of the transfers that I have tried previously started to arrive to my iPhone. So this kind of the printer queue situation where all the prints, when the problem has been fixed, you will start to see all the previous requests that you have initiated from your computer started to get print in your printer. So this sort of problem happens because of the iOS related software bug, and I hope Apple fixes it in future. I'm going to send this as a product feedback in Apple website related to this problem. And here you can see after the restart of my iPhone, when I try to transfer just one photo from my Mac AirDrop window to the iPhone, it transfers immediately. So for some reasons, due to iOS related bugs, you may also experience this problem, and restart helped me to fix the problem. And if you are looking for any third-party file transfer apps like to transfer between iPhone to Android or Windows computer, try Snapdrop, Zender, or Send Anywhere to successfully transfer files between different platforms. That will definitely be helpful. And if you're still experiencing the AirDrop not working on your iPhone or iPad, then navigate to Settings app, then General, and then scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then Reset, then perform Reset Network Settings. This is the last step, and if there is any problem deeper than what we thought, then this troubleshooting step will definitely be helpful to fix the problem related to AirDrop, and then you will be able to transfer files without any issue. And sometimes restarting a Mac computer, if you haven't turned off for a long time, due to software bug, AirDrop feature may not be working as expected. So do try restarting your Mac once as the last resort, and then check whether the AirDrop is working or not. I hope these tips helped you to fix the AirDrop not working problem on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac computer. And if you have any questions related to iPhone, do search our channel. For more useful iPhone, iPad, and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.